people love to Goa. So far we have booked 9,500 cases for spitting and 25,254 cases for non-wearing of mask. Thank you.
Today we have with us our Director Information Technology, Ankita Anand. So I would request Ankita to brief about Arogya Setu.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A very good evening to all. As we all are quite aware that MHA orders have time and again emphasized on the importance of Arogya Setu app in this COVID situation. This app was developed by NIC along with the Ministry of Electronics and IT. I would be highlighting some of the pertinent points with respect to Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu has primarily three utilities. One is information dissemination, second is self-assessment, and third is contact tracing. This app can be downloaded for our smartphone users, be it Android or iPhone. And so how does it do? And second aspect is it has even the facility with the landline phones as well as feature phones. You have this IVRS facility, the interactive voice response system, wherein you can give a missed call on 1921. So for the smartphone users, I hope that most of you would have already installed this app, and it gives a facility of self-assessment. It asks the person if a person is having cough, fever, difficulty in breathing, if a person is having diabetes, hypertension, lung disease, heart disease, if a person has traveled internationally in the last 28 to 45 days, if a person has recently interacted or lived with someone who has tested positive for COVID-19, or if a person is a health worker and has examined a COVID-19 confirmed case without protective gear. At the end of it, it shows the health status which will be displayed on your respective mobile phones. Arogya Setu IVRS service, I would like to reiterate that it is a toll-free service. I urge the people of Goa to please utilize these services. Landline and feature phones, they both can utilize the IVRS facility. 1921, you need to give a missed call on that and the call will get disconnected. The citizens will receive a call requesting for the inputs regarding their health status. On the basis of the responses which are received, an SMS is received by the citizens informing about their health status. Citizens will continue to receive alerts for their health moving forward also. All the SOPs of MHA and the health advisories of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, they can be accessed on this, which I told is the second important utility, information dissemination. The third important utility is contact tracing. We need to understand the importance of contact tracing. Currently, if you would see, there are downloads of, as of Goa, 3,11,100 people have downloaded. But just downloading won't help. You have to ensure that you have your Bluetooth and GPS location on. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology that helps in assessing whom have you come in contact with. So say for instance, we are 4 people and we have downloaded Arogya Setu app, we have Bluetooth on and we have a GPS location on. If say after a few days, one of us becomes COVID positive, so that Arogya Setu database, it will help us trace down which other people we have come in contact with. So that's why it is important that we keep our Bluetooth location on and as well as GPS location on. I would say IVRS facility has been utilized by only 119 people as of now. This technology will only be beneficial in totality if we install it and we keep our Bluetooth and GPS on, because I have seen that many of us have downloaded it but we have not kept it on, thinking of security reasons and other reasons. I would say Niti Aayog has again time and again reiterated that we should not be scared, we should not be worried about all these aspects as of now. Through media, I would say please circulate this message. Arogya Setu should be downloaded and going forward it will help the administration do contact tracing in the coming times. Thank you so much.
I have one more information to add. We have one critical patient who has been admitted in COVID hospital today. The patient came to our Goa Medical College in a condition which was already critical. He had suffered a heart attack and then he also is a patient of COPD, chronic lung ailment. So his test was taken because of the fact that he's COPD and therefore it comes under the SARI category, which we always test when such patients come to GMC. When found positive, he was shifted to COVID hospital. He's currently on the ventilator in the COVID hospital.
He's the only, he's the first on
yes,
ventilator.
That is true, the first person to be on ventilator.
So, which place exactly?
All that we know is the entry he has made in the register in GMC. The people who brought him to GMC also quickly disappeared after leaving him there. There they have mentioned as Betted. But our inquiries are on. We are inquiring and we are doing. We are finding out exactly where his location was in Betted. We are also constantly trying to.
So they
follow
must
up.
also tested now, no? These people,
Sorry?
they have come in contact with these people. So
Yes, but we are not able to get across to these two people who brought him. Their phone numbers are currently switched off. But yes, we are doing the call tracing using the police's information system. I'm sure that very shortly we will get more information about them.
Ma'am, there is news that a security guard in the GMC has tested positive.
That is true.
Is it true? And what about will all the staff of GMC will be tested after this?
Whoever has come into daily contact with him, definitely we will be testing them. In fact, already the dean has done the needful about it.
Yeah. Second question related to this. The roommate of this same security guard, he has been arrested by the Perne police on rape charges. Okay. Yesterday there was a problem at the Perne police station. All the policemen were scared because this guy was not tested. He was in the same room with this tested guy from the GMC. Do you have any knowledge?
Since he is in police custody, police can always bring him to us for the testing. There is no difficulty in that. I'm not aware about this case that you mentioned, but given the facts that you have mentioned, if this is a factual position, if he is already in police custody, very well we can test him or any of the police.
He's not been tested as of now.
No, if he's in police custody, police have to bring them to us. So we are, we'll wait for them to come to us.
Madam, Chimbal today, how many people were tested?
Chimbal, we have taken about, I'm told, my team has told me that we had throughout the morning the sample collection, around 50-60 samples have been collected in Chimbal today as well. Today we have collected it in Chimbal
And
proper.
in Moti Dongar, when you plan to have this random checking?
Moti Dongar, the survey is going on. We are, along with the local administration and our health officer team, we have done a survey of the area and samples have already been tested. So we'll continue that process. Hospicio is where the samples are being taken for testing. Yes.
Any update from Taligaon area after
Taligaon, we have not been able to get any positive samples. We took many samples from Taligaon over the period of 2 days. So far, we have not got any positives from Taligaon, except that one person
Correct.
who was brought to GMC. Yes.
Ma'am, any idea about the Mapsa Ekta Nagar?
Sorry.
Mapsa Ekta Nagar, any idea about it?
You see, if you ask me individual residential areas, it will be very difficult for me to give you the breakup. I am giving you the perspective of the state as a whole. There is no specific concern regarding Ekta Nagar. I can share that with you.
Ma'am, can you just tell us ESI quarters how many have been tested?
ESI, there is one person who used to cater in the sense he was part of the kitchen. He has tested positive, and in today's list we have around 3 contacts of that person who have also tested positive.
The total ESI quarters can you
ESI quarters, I wouldn't have the number. The information that I have from my team is that today we have 3 more people from the ESI lot who have tested positive.
So far, madam, no decision on containment zone at Chimbal, no?
No, because we need, it follows a certain protocol. You know what protocol we have followed at Morlem also and Mango Hill, of course. So there needs to be sufficient number, there needs to be enough medical epidemiological reasons to declare it as containment zone. But we are definitely watching the situation. As I said, today also, we have taken so many samples from Chimbal. Let us observe what the trend is after we get the test results.
Chimbal, how many has covered?
Chimbal figure, I think, was shared yesterday in yesterday's bulletin.
14.
Yeah, Chimbal, we have about 2 more in today's results. 2 more are there.
10.
Today's results would be yesterday's samples. Now today's samples will be tested. We'll get to know by late night, by early morning.
So right now, Chimbal, what is the figure?
10?
10.
Yes, that would make it 10. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.